In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome to a new smile of hope. Our story today comes from the West. In 1964, German newspapers published a shocking report about a man named Carlo. One night, Carlo realized people were trying to break into his home. He grabbed his automatic rifle, and he killed 3 of them. Naturally, a trial followed. In the beginning, the case seemed to be in Carlo's favor. It looked like a clear act of self-defense. But as the investigation went deeper, new information surfaced. It turned out the 3 intruders were brothers, and there had been a long, bitter feud between them and Carlo. The narrative shifted. It appeared he had provoked them, that he had lured them to his house specifically to kill them and stage it as a break-in. The charge changed from self-defense to premeditated murder. Facing a certain life sentence, Carlo chose to run. He had a tiny crawl space, a cellar, underneath his house. He made a pact with his wife. He would disappear. He would bury himself in this grave rather than face prison. He hid the truth from his children, his neighbors, and the world. He planned to stay there for 20 years. Imagine that terror. 8 years in a hole. He only emerged at night, in total silence, to take food from his wife. He was a prisoner of his own making. But after 8 years, the walls started to close in. His young son began telling people about strange noises in the house at night. Carlo himself was breaking down. His health was failing, and he began to cry out in his sleep. The neighbors sensed something was wrong. They called the police. When the officers searched the house, they pulled Carlo out of the darkness. They asked him, "Who are you?" He said, "I am Carlo. I have been hiding here for years because of the trial." The police looked at him with pity. They told him, "Why did you do this to yourself? Only 1 month after you vanished, the mother of those men confessed. She admitted her sons had planned to rob you. The judge cleared your name 8 years ago." Listen to me. There are people who let despair bury them alive. Instead of facing their problems, they flee into the cellars of their own minds. Go out into the world. Face your problems. Try, succeed, or even fail, but live. God stands with those who face the light. A smile of hope is for those who refuse to let despair win. Even if the road is long, the truth will eventually set you free. Thank you. Peace be upon you.